All right, well, today, everybody, is International Sushi Day. And according to Google Trends in the U.S., sushi is twice as popular as it was just 5 years ago.
You know what? Around 5 million Americans sit down for a sushi meal at least once a month. Bobby DeCastro live for us at Yama Sushi this morning, standing up, showing us around, and you're going to get to taste some amazing things, I'm sure.
You're gonna be so jealous this morning. Yes, we're at Yama Sushi Marketplace this morning. It is celebrating, by the way, 40 years. So it really was at the cusp of when sushi just exploded and became a craze, not just here in California, but then across the country. So look at all of this fresh sushi that came from the sushi market in downtown LA. And Scott is with Yama Sushi to tell us a little bit more about this. They told me when I was at the marketplace that really we are lucky in Los Angeles because we get some of the freshest sushi here in the country. Is that true?
You are right, Bobby, because we get our fish delivered daily, and our customers get to choose between the freshest salmon, yellowtail, maguro, toro, and it's a great day for International Sushi Day.
It is really cool here because you get to pick whatever piece of sushi you want. They slice it right in front of your face, and they put it on a tray, and you take it home with you. I mean, you know, I go to the grocery store, and there's a really big difference between that. One of the great things about this marketplace, as you show us around here, is that you carry all of the things. So if you make sushi at home, which a lot of people actually do, you have all the ingredients to make that here, right?
Exactly. We have all the ingredients from your nori, seaweed, to the rice, to special soy sauce and toppings like this black garlic shoyu that's imported from these craft sake breweries, or shoyu breweries in Kyoto, Japan.
I want to make sure that we can take a quick look around your shop here. So Scott, let's take a look around here. I know that these refrigerator sections are empty right now, but that's why the people are here. They're working on the sushi right now, right?
Exactly. We fill it up, and our sushi is made hourly, every hour on the hour, so the customers can grab and go the sushi and take it home or even eat it here.
And one of the things you do here is that you also teach classes, right?
Exactly.
So if people want to learn about how to make sushi and also drink sake, they can do that too, right?
Exactly. We have 3 classes: a nigiri making, a maki, a roll class, which you're going to be doing soon, and also our sake class. So it's a really fun, interactive store.
I'm coming back later for that sake class.
All right. Yeah, I would recommend that. Definitely.
We're going to turn around here so people can pick up their stuff, bring it home. They could eat it here as well. We'll take a look at some of the rolls here that were made this morning. And you're telling me that one of the big things that you guys are famous for is your California roll.
Exactly. Our California roll you see right here on the right is extremely famous in LA. The LA Times honored us with the best California roll in LA, and we're very excited about it because it's a little bigger, a little creamier. It's delicious.
And really quickly, we were talking about the history of sushi because you were saying really California was here in the beginning. When we hear those big names here, Yama was part of that as well, right?
Exactly. So Yama founded our company 40 years ago, Kenzo Yamada. So he was a fish broker, and that's why he guarantees us the best fish. But at that time, Mr. Kanai of Mutual Trading was really the pioneer of sushi in LA, which sprung to Nobu Matsuhisa, who grew up right here, lived right here in West LA, and all the famous sushi chefs.
Okay. Well, we're proud to be with you here today as we celebrate this International Sushi Day. We are here for it for sure. Some delicious sushi that's being made by their master chefs here. And again, there he is. He's going to teach me some stuff this morning. We'll show you a little bit later. Teach me and then I'll eat it.
There's like
all right, there you go.
So much etiquette
Thank you, sir.
That goes into it, though, right? Like, technically, you're not supposed to bite it. You're supposed to put the entire thing in your mouth. And then I explained to you that Sandra always gives me a hard time about the ponzu sauce. You know, there's so many rules.
Yeah.
And I break them all. But it's delicious.
It is. I love sushi.
Got one for you. What did the sushi say to the bee?
To the who?
To the bee.
I have no idea.
To the bee?
Maria? Wasabi!
Oh, my goodness. Wasabi.
Thanks, Maria, you got it. Thank
Oh, boy.
you.
Wow.
Think about it.
Well, on that note, on that perfect cue up, thank you, Savannah. One of Bob DeCastro's greatest skills is his ability, no matter the circumstance, to just roll with it.
Just roll with it. That's what he's doing right now. Yes, today happens to be International Sushi Day. All right, let's see it.
What's up?
Yeah, at Yama Sushi Marketplace, which was doing sushi before sushi wasn't cool, celebrating 40 years here, and now they're in Mar Vista as well. Here's Chef Ko-chan. He's going to show us how to make what is this that we're making this morning,
I'm
Chef?
going to make a tuna roll.
Tuna roll.
Tuna roll, yes.
Okay, and so what do we need? What do we need
Okay,
first?
so this is the seaweed.
Seaweed.
Shiny side are down.
Okay, which side down?
Shiny side.
Shiny side.
Left
Shiny side
up.
down. Okay.
Then
And
the
then.
corner, like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Got that?
Grab the rice.
Grab the rice.
Like
How much rice?
80 grams.
80 grams.
Yes.
This
80 grams.
is the U.S. We go by ounces. Okay,
I don't know.
okay, go ahead. Oh, and then what?
Put like this. Okay?
And like this. Okay.
We need a space here.
We need a space.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
We need a space right
Okay.
there.
Okay. We have time. Okay, Bobby.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Wait. Is this
There
like
you
this?
go.
Like this?
There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Then make a wall.
Make a what?
Wall.
Wall.
Okay, wall.
A wall.
Like
A
here,
wall.
like this.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. And then.
Like this?
Yes. That's it.
Yes.
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 Yes. Okay. We got my wall.
Yes.
And then. Oh, all the way down.
Up.
Maybe I need more water.
Equally, okay? Equally. No, don't push.
No! Don't push.
doing?
Don't push. Just pinch.
Yeah.
Just pinch. Yeah. Okay.
Good.
And then. Okay. We got 1 minute, chef. What else we need to do?
Okay. Put tuna.
Tuna.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Just more than one.
Middle.
Middle.
Yes, sir.
Middle tuna. Yes, sir. Okay.
Then-
Right there. And
And
then.
here and
At the end.
yes.
Right.
Then
Yes.
like this. Hold the ingredient.
In it. Yep. Go.
This.
Yes.
Then go.
We are rolling.
Right. No, wait.
Wait.
Stop. Like here. Like this.
I already messed it up.
No, it's good.
I already messed it up. All right. All right.
One more. Like this.
Oh God, darn it!
No, it's perfect.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
No, it's supposed to be.
This is what I. Okay. And then what happens? We got this, and then
Yes.
are we ready to cut?
Bobby.
Go ahead. Okay.
No, you're gonna do it.
Just cut it.
I do.
Okay.
Okay.
You just do it.
Cut the middle.
Yes, middle. Yep.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh,
Okay.
Wait. There's more.
I wanna
There's
try.
more. Okay. Wait.
Okay. See?
See.
Snarl.
Oh yeah, and then there, and then there you go.
Are you okay?
Oh my God. Here's the best. All right, the Yama Sushi Market in Mar Vista. They're also in San Gabriel, celebrating 40 years. They teach these classes here. They call it Sushi Sake Attitude, and they have it here. So we'll be here.
So, Bobby.
Yes.
I need you. So tomorrow morning, 7:30, you have to come here.
He just hired you.
All right. I got hired.
Side hustle.
Thank you.
Nice.
That's good
Thank
Master
stuff.
chef, master eater.
Yes, we'd love to see it.
All right, so today is International Sushi Day, and though more Americans than ever are becoming sushi lovers, some people are still a little intimidated by what to or maybe how to order at a sushi restaurant.
Bob is at Yama Sushi in West LA with some expert advice. Hi, Bob.
Good morning. Yeah, Yama Sushi Marketplace, which has been doing sushi since sushi wasn't cool, and now, of course, it's a huge craze. Yama celebrating a 40th birthday, and they've been showing us how it's done. They have some of the freshest seafood that comes from Asia right here to California, and then right into your bellies. And Chef Ko-chan, the Master Chef, Sushi Master Chef, has been showing us how to make some of this stuff. They have classes here, and this is what you're making what this morning?
This is a scallop and Japanese mackerel, salmon.
And salmon, and this is a nigiri. Is
Yes.
that, am I saying it right?
Yes.
Nigiri. And,
Yes.
and show us how it's done.
Okay.
You take this. This is the scallop, the
Yeah,
rice. Okay, and then
Yeah.
it's so neat.
Yep.
And did you put this
This is
stuff on
with Japanese mackerel.
it? Japanese mackerel.
She saw it here, like this.
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
You make it look so simple.
Yes.
So it ends up there. I'm going to bring in Scott here to show us because he's making a little one for a single person, but you actually make these big trays, right?
Yes, we have party trays that have the whole nigiri, which is yellowtail, salmon, tamago egg, and ikura. So these are great for parties. We also have our bento box to go.
This
which
to
has-
me looks absolutely amazing
This is great.
and delicious. So
Yeah.
a bento box.
Bento box with our famous chicken katsu, sushi nigiri, and our somen salad. salad to go, individual, and so a lot of times we cater to a lot of companies, and it's very, very popular, these individual.
I was surprised when you told me the price, because this is under $20.
Exactly, yes, $17.95, correct.
$17.95. We're going to go back over here, and we're going to look at Master Chef Kochan here. He's making the nigiri, and you were telling me that when sushi became popular years and years and years, decades ago, initially when it was first sort of introduced to the American public, it really wasn't that popular.
It really wasn't. That's why Mr. Kanai-san from Mutual Trading was very pioneer to help introduce it, together with the famous chefs like Nobu Matsuhisa and Nozawa-san of Sugarfish.
Well, Yama Marketplace will teach you how to make it, or you can just eat it. And really quickly, he's going to show me how to make. This is the rice. Oh, the salmon, which is perfect. And you're like, and then form.
Yeah.
Like that. Flip it over.
You're forming.
Forming.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Here.
Here. I do this better, much better. They have 2 locations, this one in Mar Vista and in San Gabriel, so you can check it out. If you are not great at making sushi, just come here and eat it. It's super, super, super delicious and fresh. Some of the freshest here in California.
How many rolls have you had today?
If I make it, I'm eating it. So I've made like maybe 2.
Does it taste?
And a couple, but look, there's plenty more where that came from.
Does it taste better when you make it yourself, Bob? Sometimes, no.
Yeah. Sure. I mean, it's so quick, as you saw. It all tastes amazing.
All good, all fresh, looks good. Tell him oishiso, which means it looks delicious.
Oishito?
Oishiso.
Oishii desu.
Yes. Say yes.
He said oishito.
No, oishiso. Just say yes, Bob. Oh my goodness. Lost in translation.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go. Thank you so much, Bob.
We'll send him a voice text.
I know.
Okay. You're not going to get served sushi on your next flight.
All right, look at
I'm
this.
like blending in.
Sushi. Yes, it's more popular than ever in the United States right now.
Yes, a trip to a sushi restaurant, though, I mean, it's pricey. It can get expensive. And then if you want to make it at home, that seems like a daunting task. However, Bob DeCastro, live for us this morning. Oh, hi, Maria.
Oh, hi.
At Yama Sushi with a way to make it much easier. Hi, Bob.
And I have to say, because I've seen the prices here, and it actually is pretty reasonable. I would say even comparable to some of the grocery stores here. And this is some of the freshest stuff. I think, Sandra, I understand now what you were trying to say. You were trying to say oishiso, right?
Oishiso.
I know. I was trying to, go.
Right.
I was going back to my Japanese, and I'm like, I think she meant oishiso. Master Chef Kochan is laughing at this, and he is making. Tell us what you're making here, Master Chef.
This is Temaki Time. Our platter, Temaki Time.
Okay, so it's a basically almost like a party platter,
Yes,
right?
right, correct.
Yes, and then you would take this, you bring it to a party, and people can sort of make their own hand rolls, right?
Yes, right.
Yes, and there's a specific way to cut here, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, right. He was going to show me in just a bit how to do that. I'm going to bring in Scott here to tell us more about Yama Marketplace, Sushi Marketplace here. I was saying you guys have been here for pretty much since the very beginning of this explosion of sushi and when it became super popular here in California and then in this country.
Exactly. So Yamada-san founded Yama Sushi 40 years ago in San Gabriel, so we've been here a long time. We are not a sushi bar, as you can tell. We're a sushi marketplace, kind of a sushi wonderland where you can buy everything from the fish to the rice to the seasoning to the toppings, everything to make your own sushi.
We've been watching what you've been doing and we've been eating what you've been doing. Show us what you've got right here. This is another popular item here, right?
This is very, very popular. This is our chirashi bowl, the freshest sashimi, salmon, hamachi, ikura, and in this case, octopus and squid on top of a bed of sushi rice. Very, very popular.
And I was talking about the freshness of here, especially living here in California, that we should all be so grateful and proud that we in Los Angeles because we do get some of the freshest fish around, especially in a place like this where it really truly is coming directly from the market.
Exactly. So LA is a main port of entry from fish all over the world, especially from Japan. So we're very, very fortunate to be living here, which I said is ground zero of sushi in the United States and probably all of North and South America.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
And I bet you're not surprised that sushi has become as popular as it has.
I'm a little surprised. At first, I actually didn't think it was going to ever take off. When I was a little boy, I used to make sushi at home for our New Year's. Yeah. And I told my mother, I said, I don't think sushi will ever work in the United States. And here we are 50 years later.
That's so funny. And everybody just like dreams. Exactly. Literally, people are dreaming sushi. Okay, Master Chef, what you got for me here?
So please cut.
Oh, please cut?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So against grain, okay?
Against the grain.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, perfect.
Oh, perfect. See, perfect.
Don't cut it.
Here you go. Okay. I think that's perfect, right?
Here.
Then we put it over here into the party platter. This is for you to enjoy, but I understand that you all have something to enjoy there at the studio as well. So we're making this party platter here for you. So we'll be bringing some of this back to the studio. And I'm sure you at home, if you'd like to enjoy some of this, you can get it here at Yama Sushi Marketplace with locations both here in Mar Vista and in San Gabriel. Yeah, so what do you think?
Itadakimasu. Thank you for the delivery, Yama. Look at all of these delicious rolls and nigiri sushi right here. Say itadakimasu.
They say thank you. Do you want to say anything in Japanese to Sandra here?
Oh, so please come today, please.
That's not Japanese.
わかりました。
日本語で、そうか。じゃあ、みんな今日来てくださいね。待ってますよ。
はい、ありがとう。
どうもありがとう。
Everybody, please come today. He's waiting.
I got that one. Arigato.
Arigato. Thank you. Okay. We got hooked up today. I know it's supposed to be Taco Tuesday, but it's International Sushi Day, and we are celebrating.
You gotta mix it up.
Are you good?
It's so good.
You know how they say you have to put the entire thing in your mouth? I can't do this one.
I just did that roll.
It's giant. But traditionally,
and then also for the nigiri sushi, which is this one, not the roll, you dip the fish into your sauce, into your shoyu, not the rice, the fish.
Yes,
fish side down.
I don't think I want to go out with her.
She scares me too.
I'm
like
just
I open
my
chopsticks.
All right, thank you. We're gonna eat. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
Oishii ne.
Have you watch me eat? Don't watch me eat.
I just put the whole thing in my mouth.
What?
I put it in my mouth.